And Congress leader Sanjay Nirupam has sent across a legal notice to former CNAG Vinod Rai. Sneha Murdani joining us with more details. Yes, Sneha.
Well, yes, a legal notice sent by Sanjay Nirupam to Vinod Rai after that interview he gave to Times Now, in which he said that Sanjay Nirupam was one among those MPs who had come to him and asked him, pressurized him to remove the name of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh from the CAG, from the 2G report. And this is something that Vinod Rai had alleged in the interview that he'd given to Times Now. Nirupam had then and there said that if he doesn't make an apology, if he doesn't apologize, if he doesn't withdraw his comments, he is going to send a legal notice to Vinod Rai, and that's what he's exactly done. In fact, Sanjay Nirupam had also gone on to say that his book is about to be released, and if the publisher publishes these details about Sanjay Nirupam or Sandeep Dixit going in trying to pressurize Vinod
Sneha,
Rai.
just stay on with us. I think we have Mr. Sanjay Nirupam with us on the phone. Good evening, Mr. Sanjay Nirupam. This is Anand Narasimhan from Times Now. We're given to understand you have already served a legal notice to the former CNAG Vinod Rai.
Yes, that's true.
Can you take us through the details of what you have charged him with and the contents of the notice, sir?
You can go through the legal notice very well because that the whole text is very much available on the Twitter account. You can access it to it.
But you believe you will pursue this matter and you're not going to take it lying down?
Basically the statement made by Mr. Rai on your channel was completely defamatory. Because I have never approached him, never spoken to him, never ever spoken to him regarding any individual. So in that scenario, I have to serve a legal notice and I have to ask him to withdraw his sentence or apologize. Otherwise, there is no other option left to me but going to the court.
But are you also challenging him to back his claims with proof?
Of course. If somebody is making allegation against someone, he will have to provide some proof, some evidence.
So far, Mr. Vinod Rai has not responded to any of the counter claims or charges that have been made. Do you see a reason for that? Because he said that he will take his time to respond.
To the best of my knowledge, today only he has already spoken to a Hindi channel called ABP. And on that interview, he has already said that I have never, his statement is that nobody had pressurized me to drop PM's name. It was TV channel. I think it is the reference is of your channel, that it's a TV channel which has made it an issue. You can go and see this.
But you heard what he said. But you heard what he said.
What legal notice I have said, that is on the basis of what I heard on your channel.
Right. So, and are you expecting a response? How soon are you expecting a response? Have you been able to solicit a response so far, or an acknowledgement to the notice that you've sent across?
No, the notice has been served today only. So I think it is going to take a couple of hours to reach there. And if Mr. Rai has little bit faith in the legal procedure, he must respond to this legal notice.
Mr. Sanjay Nirupam, thanks for talking to us. Sneha Murdani is still with us. So one of the Congress leaders already sending across a legal notice. Even Sandeep Dixit has said that he would also contemplate legal action, isn't it?
Well, yes, Sandeep Dixit, not just Sandeep Dixit, but NCP leader Praful Patel has also said that not just a legal notice, but a criminal defamation case is going to be filed against Vinod Rai for making the allegations that he has. Sanjay Nirupam, however, one of the first leaders to go ahead and file a case, send a notice to Vinod Rai. He said he's going to do that. Sanjay Nirupam had also gone on to say that not just legal notice, but he's also going to take the publishers of the book to court if the book has any chapter dealing with any of the Congress leaders trying to allegedly pressurize Vinod Rai. And if that happens, then he's certainly going to take the publishers to court as well. So Sanjay Nirupam there confirming that he has sent a notice to Vinod Rai. He had given him a couple of days. He said within a week's time I would send him a notice. If he doesn't either withdraw his statement and issue an apology, and he's gone ahead and done that.
Thanks for that, Sneha.